Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna have a look at another filter, and this time an ND filter for the DJI Mini 2. This one is by Freewell. It's the ND16 one, which should allow enough light to go through. It was a bit of a struggle to unbox this, but once we get to the good stuff, you'll see that it has a really cool case to carry the filter, I guess. Here we have some information. The filter itself is really small. The case has two magnets, so it will keep the lid closed. And as you can see, the filter is really small. It has a cool reddish, like dark red coating on the front, and it's really tiny. So let's try to mount it on the gimbal of the DJI Mini 2. Yeah, so really tiny. It has the shape of the lens cover on the gimbal, and I'm trying to be gentle with this because the gimbal itself feels really flimsy, and you definitely don't want to damage that. I heard that when you mount this, you should hear it click as you slide it down into place. Mine didn't actually click, maybe just very lightly, because I was pushing very lightly, so I didn't force it down. But once it's in place, you will feel that it doesn't slide up or it doesn't fall or anything. So it has those hooks in the back and it holds onto the gimbal. So next, let's try to do a quick demonstration, I guess. I'm gonna basically just turn on the drone so we can have a look at the picture coming through. Alright, so not sure if you can actually turn it on when it's unfolded. So I always fold out the arms and everything. Alright, so right now it's in auto mode, and basically the picture looks okay. And then you can actually go into the manual settings, which you want, because that's why you want to add the filter, so you can do the 180 rule and be able to create that film look, basically to have the blur that you would lose basically if you just go with the auto settings. So right now I'm just trying to do it for the purpose of this video, so that it's visible on camera. Normally I would just go lower with the ISO. And now if you notice, I'm pointing it at the window so it's bright, it doesn't change. And of course you can do this even without the filter. And now it's darker, of course, and the picture doesn't adjust automatically because it's in manual mode. And now I guess it's down to ISO 200, so it's kind of a good exposure for outside. And sorry about this angle, this was a bit weird to record. Alright, so I added some examples. All of these are recorded with the DJI Mini 2 and with the filter on. This one in particular looked really bad, you could say, because of that weird glare. but I kind of liked it, especially here. Kind of adds almost like an Instagram filter look to the video. And of course it's still in manual mode, so it will not adjust the brightness and everything or anything. This is another example in the afternoon, almost like a golden hour time of day, and still with the filter, and I think it looks really cool. This is probably morning before noon, so the sun is very strong. Probably like 5 p.m. in the afternoon, but still nice picture. This one was another one in the evening. It looks nice and smooth, so I'm not sure if you really go, I mean, if you need to go really fast to be able to get that motion blur, but otherwise, if you judge by the movement of any subjects that you might have in the picture or objects that you move around, you will see that it's definitely smooth. This is also shot in the morning time, and I think it looks really nice. This is around the neighborhood. Now here it's interesting because it's very close to the water, and supposedly you should be able to get a sense of that motion blur more than when you just fly the drone in the air, when you don't have any objects that are close. Same here with the leaves, and just another shot. This is in the neighborhood. It just looks really, really nice. Thank you everyone for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. I hope you have a great rest of the day, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.